make some pasta. Flour. There you go. No, everybody does with the fork.
Yeah, with the fork.
Okay.
Get out of my... Okay.
More. We don't need salt, we don't need eggs. What we need is just strength and love and water.
And love and water.
Okay, now we put it together. We just...
We're gonna make a sauce out of cauliflower. The smaller the better, it cooks faster in the pan.
Yes. I wanna show you that it's not that difficult to make a fancy dish. That's enough.
Okay.
That's great.
Alright.
Use some olive oil, shallots, cauliflower, and we let it steep.
Do the thing. Woo, yeah. Woo, do it. You get that? Be an Italian nursery rhyme.
A nursery, but
Yeah.
I know only Neapolitan ones.
Or, yeah, okay.
Okay. Nuce latte da cui non si va a dormire e vuole fare la ninna nanna nuce latte.
I'm blushing. If you don't ask, you don't find out.
Try. There you go. We will have dinner tonight. That's how the fire stays on the pan. It's been resting for 10 minutes. You say it's not smooth, right?
Yeah.
Need it now and see how smooth it's gonna become.
Oh, bless its heart. Bye. Yeah.
Once they get mushy, we put everything into a,
Okay.
what do you call it?
Blender.
Have been left alone. Everything in there.
Oh, you're such a jerk. Oh, this is separate.
That's for the pasta, that's for the fish. Yes, chef.
Yes, it's a little salty, sous chef.
Okay, go fix it. So pretty. Okay, now we're ready to make pasta.
Now it's time to make pasta.
Cut one stripe. What's in inches?
I don't know.
See, you know it.
Okay.
Try to make it like homogeneous.
Uniform, yeah.
Homogeneous. Look at me.
Homogeneous. Nice
My
word.
God. Bang. You press and gently turn.
So they curl?
Yes. Open up. Ta-da.
I want to make one more because I'm just trying to get it. Man, is that beautiful or what?
Hold it down like this. Yeah, you can. Fish always curl, so you can multitask now.
Okay, no problem.
You can start flipping on one side. There you go. Hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes and a half.
Chefs, they're just like us.
Actually make the cauliflower a little too salty.
Yeah,
We
you
don't
don't
put-
you don't get
no.
any salt. Sorry. Thanks for saying we.
And you see how easy it is to make it look like, oh my god, wow, it's incredible.
Oh my god, wow, that's incredible. How'd you do that?
My favorite accent is the southern accent. I could never replicate.
Let's hear it.
I'm
That's
so
how
sorry.
I sounded growing up. Say, what's a right pleasure?
What? This is a vegan nut, but you know, it can be
at that.
with cheese. hold the plate and just tap it from the bottom. Okay, perfect.
You're burping the plate. Oh yeah. Oh, see, I never do that.
Now it's the best part. We get to eat.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Tan,